You wake up from getting no sleep and you realize you have your dream job interview very soon. You have no idea what to do and you can barely keep your eyes open and you're completely exhausted. Well, today you will learn how to make a coffee that it will give you more caffeine than your normal brewed coffee. This coffee is called the Americano, and it will surely give you the boost of energy that you need. The concept of an Americano started in World War II. American troops were spread throughout Europe, and although Italians loved their coffee like wine, Americans did not love the strong, rich taste that Italian coffee was. So to tone it down, they would simply just add water. To accommodate the American soldiers, coffee shops would start selling this in their shop. It became wildly popular in America. And that is how it got there. The Americano is different from just a normal espresso because you simply add water, which gives it a lighter taste for people that don't like strong coffee. The Italians called this dirty water because they were not impressed with this drink at all. The Americano got its name because of how wildly popular it became in America. This drink can either be made hot or iced. First, we'll start with hot. Simply, all you do is pour 3 shots of espresso. If you don't have an espresso machine at home, you can simply pour coffee grounds into hot water and stir it really good. And then all you do is fill water to the top of the cup, and that's it. And then for iced, all you do is do the same thing, but add more ice than water. An Americano is an everyday drink in coffee shops because it is so popular. I don't know it. You really just need water, espresso, and ice in a cup. Now that you have learned how to make an Americano, I hope that it will help you out in the future. Thank you.